Get ready to immerse yourself in musical bliss with your very own pair of boAt Airdopes 121 Pro. To power on the device, follow these steps. To switch the earbuds on, simply open the lid of the charging case. Our IWP Insta-Wake and Pair technology enables the earbuds to power on automatically, get connected, and enter into the connection mode. To connect your device to your phone Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth functionality on your phone media device and scan. Search for Airdopes 121 Pro and pair accordingly. Congratulations! Your earbuds are now successfully connected via Bluetooth. To use your earbuds as mono solo, follow these steps. Simply take out either left or right earbud from the charging case. Congratulations, you are now using mono solo mode. To charge your earbuds, please insert the earbuds back inside the charging case in correct orientation. The LED indicates they are being charged. For charging the case, plug one end of the provided cable into the case. Connect the other end to a computer wall adapter, power bank, etc. Your Airdopes 121 Pro offers some basic functions as follows. Single tap either earbud CTC to play or pause music. Long touch the right earbud CTC for 3 seconds to activate the beast mode for low latency gaming experience. Long touch the right earbud CTC for 3 seconds once again to turn it off and return to standard music mode. When playing music, double tap the right earbuds CTC to skip to the next song. When playing music, double tap the left earbuds CTC to go back or double tap the CTC twice to return to the previous song. Single tap the CTC on either earbud to answer an incoming call. Double tap the CTC on either earbud to end reject call. Long touch the left earbud CTC for 3 seconds to activate the voice assistant. RENX environmental noise cancellation tech algorithm cancels out the background noise so that you can be heard crystal clear via voice calls. One need not activate ENX as the 4 mics are already equipped with the same and activated by default. Perform the factory reset in case you face any difficulty while operating your Airdopes. Note: before performing reset, clear Airdopes from pairing device history by forgetting device. Place both earbuds inside the charging case and close the lid. Open the lid of the case and long press the reset button on the case for 5 seconds. LED on the case flashes for 5 seconds to indicate a successful reset. Close the lid and reopen it again in few seconds and perform a fresh connection. Congratulations! Your Airdopes 121 Pro has been reset. If the touch controls don't seem to respond after long usage, residual stains and perspiration can affect the touch control area. Please use a cotton swab or a pogo pin to clean your charging case and earbuds.